Hi, today I'm super excited to share with you about Courtyard House by Imtiaz. This is the 6th project by Imtiaz in Dubai Island. And let me just say, this might be the best one yet. Before we dive into Courtyard House, let me give you a little background about Imtiaz and Dubai Island. Imtiaz has been in the market for over 10 years and they have delivered quite a lot of projects. They're known for delivering high quality, fully furnished and top-notch finishes. Their projects span all over Dubai, from JVC, DLRC, Jumeirah and now in Dubai Island. Now let's talk about Dubai Islands. Dubai Islands is divided into several sections and Courtyard House is located on Island A right next to Marina. They've gotten stunning views and some of the prime location on the island. Connectivity? Well, it's all sorted. You have gotten multiple bridges and one of which is already in use. And the future planned bridges are also coming into the picture. You're just 17 minutes from Dubai International Airport, 15 minutes from downtown. It's so easy to get in anywhere. You have access to major highways as well. Now let's talk about Courtyard House. Here you're getting G+2 podium and 10 residential floors. The design? Well, you're getting super sleek with glass facade that really pops out. Inspired by the ocean, the curves and lines mimic the waves. On the marina facing side, you have gotten the breathtaking view of, you have the Dubai skyline on one side and you have the sea on the other. This beautiful interconnected promenade along the marina, which is perfect for family outing and just to sit and relax. On the other side, you're just 5 minutes from the Dubai Island Mall. I mean, let's talk about the location. It's perfect. Now let's talk about the apartments. Courtyard House has 138 exclusive units. Now let's see what is available. You're getting 1-bedroom apartments starting from 900 square feet, priced at 2.4 million dirhams. 2-bedroom apartments with the sizes starting from 1,200 square feet and prices starting from 3.4 million dirhams. 3-bedroom simplexes with the size of 1,900 square feet, starting price at 5.7 million dirhams. If you want something extra special, there are also townhouses with the structure G+1. You are getting the size of 2,500 square feet and the price starting from 6.2 million dirhams. Duplexes with private pool with the starting price of 6.7 million dirhams and the sizes ranging from 2,100 square feet to all the way up to 2,400 square feet. You're also getting penthouses, super limited, just 2 units available with the size from 1,800 square feet. Now let's talk about the amenities because they're next level. There's a grand infinity pool spread across the lower level, separate for families, adults and kids. The clubhouse is a social hub. You have the gym, foosball, billiards and meditation zone. For townhouse residents, there is even a private elevator. Every apartment is furnished with premium German and Italian furnishing. Kitchens are fully equipped and all the layouts are thoughtfully designed to maximize light and space. Here's why the location is unbeatable. You're right in front of one of the 9 marinas and the entire design of this island is to give the luxury waterfront living. The 21-kilometer coastline has Blue Flag certified beaches and private golf and so much more. And Imtiaz is offering you a flexible payment plan of 60-40, that is 60% during construction, 40% on handover. The handover is in Q1 2027. And this was all about Courtyard House. You're just few minutes away from everything. Everything is around the corner for you. And if you want to know more and are interested in this project, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.